Today, at the Johar Humanitarian Forum, we unite to address the escalating drought crisis affecting Somalia, a crisis that threatens the livelihoods, health, and survival of millions across this country. The 2025 DAIR has been markedly below average in the most northern part of the country, making the fourth consecutive season of inadequate rainfall failure. An unprecedented situation that has left rangelands parched, water points dry, and pastoral livelihoods severely compromised. Northern Somalia faces compounded challenges as over 70% of livelihoods depend on nomadic pastoralism, which relies heavily on seasonal rains. In addition, the current poor rain, extremely temperature as well, is likely to lead to drought reemergence in the south and central states of Somalia, where the good rain has also provided a temporary relief. This persistent drought is causing humanitarian emergency of unprecedented proportions, with an estimated 4.4 million people expected to experience food insecurity from October to December 2025. Among them, 1.85 million children suffering from acute malnutrition, including 421,000 facing severe acute malnutrition, putting their lives at immense and immediate risk. The situation is further aggravated by the critical decline in health and nutrition services due to the global funding cuts, leading to closures of essential facilities that provide vital support to women and children. Access to safe water remains limited, particularly in districts such as Afgoye, Walawain, and Lower Shabelle, while the regions like Nugal and Mudug grapple with large-scale displacement. Over 7,500 households have arrived in Goldobuk region in search for water and pasture, straining the host community, increasing again vulnerability. In response, the federal government of Somalia and the federal member states counterparts has officially declared a drought emergency and warned that ongoing failure of their rains could worsen the crisis. Additionally, many families are now moving towards Ethiopia, seeking relief and highlighting the urgent need for coordinated cross-border response efforts. We call upon our stakeholders, our government entities, international partners, humanitarian organizations, and development agencies to mobilize immediate resources to scale up the life-saving interventions in nutrition, health, water, and food security. Strengthen coordination mechanism for rapid response and effective resource allocation. Support the vulnerable communities through long-term strategies to enhance climate adaptation and future impacts. Advocate for sustained funding and political commitment to address this urgent crisis. The compounded impact of drought threatens destabilized communities, displaced families, and deepen vulnerabilities if swift, coordinated action is not taken. We reaffirm our collective responsibility to protect the lives, health, and dignity of our people during this critical time. Let us act decisively and compassionately to alleviate the suffering and build resilience in Somalia. I'll now read and summarize in Somali.